Let's go na mga kaballers. Si Javier ay graduation day, grade 6. Let's go, let's go. Papunta po kami ngayon sa Bellevue, Alabang. Doon po ang venue ng graduation ni Javier. So grade 6 na, mag-grade 7 na syempre. So yan, enjoy lang mga kaballers and keep on watching our vlogs po. And maraming salamat po. Javier!
Say hi lang daw.
Hi! Hi! Excited ka na ba, Javier? Ha? Apa? Okay. Ayun yung Bellevue.
Wow, really?
B2.
Vlog mo, ganda.
What's up? Happy graduation, Mama Joyce! Grade 6, ay grade 7 na!
Yung sukli mo ba?
Hi!
Sasali yung papel.
Ay, yung papel? Hi! Sino ba to? Ashi!
Mag-iwan ka na ng bag.
Bring your phone. Nabusot na.
Parang hindi.
Nagdagan-dagan sila eh.
Please spray perfume.
Oh, perfume na lang.
Ito yung phone mo, kailangan mo ba yung phone mo? Iwan mo na lang dito sa amin yan. Kailangan mo ba yung phone mo?
Yee!
Isa naman din, dalawa lang nila. You know it already. You know it. Bawal namin niyo. Ang pizza lang.
Bye, Titi!
Lapit, 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 lapit.
Ay, naku, lapit. Yeah. We will go
Tara.
off na.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
kayo na bahala.
Yeah, kami na bahala.
Bakit na kami?
Bye!
See you later.
See you later! Ten, 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 ten. Yeah, biar gumana.
Oh, yung classmate mo. Ay, guys, yung mga classmate mo. Yes, yeah.
for the grade 6 level for school year 2024-2025. I hereby certify that these students have successfully completed the requirements of the elementary curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 program.
Union School and the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines, and on the basis of the certification given by your class advisor, I now pronounce you as graduates. Congratulations. You may now transfer your classroom to the left side. Congratulations, Miss.
Our school head, school officials, staffs and administrations, all our teachers, beloved parents, and to my fellow graduates, good morning to all. Come together to express our immense gratitude for everyone who has helped us achieve this milestone.
Child of God, and keeper of the flame of truth,
Teachers, school staff, and most especially our dear grade 6 graduates for being part of this celebration. Give yourself a round of applause. For our graduates,
Is your hair feeling dry and itchy? Try now Carmine Natural Formula, infused with 100% natural coconut cream and keratin elixir.
on Aldrich A. Orliosa for the Pledge of Loyalty. And raise your right hand and please repeat after me. I promise to cherish the teachings of this institution. So help me God. Thank you so much, dear parents, guests, and all the members of the Augustine Abbey family for your continued support in all the endeavors of the school.
Javier! Javier! Nakapasok si Kia. Guys. Pahabol pala. Picture taking pa. Ako, mag-vlog-vlog lang ako dito. Ano gusto kumain? Ano gusto kumain? Kahit saan.